Hi, this is Nadine from Access Fixtures. What are the best BAA-qualified lighting fixtures for 2026? For commercial, industrial, and public projects, Buy American Act compliance is essential. The top BAA-qualified luminaires combine American manufacturing, long-lasting LED performance, and versatile design. Luvo, Cuddle, Urzo, and Embu stand out for their durability, customization, and reliability, making them the leading BAA-compliant lighting solutions for 2026. What is the best BAA-qualified bollard light for 2026? The Luvo LED bollard light leads the category with unmatched versatility for pathways, landscapes, and pedestrian areas. Available in 11, 17, and 24-watt versions. Luvo comes in multiple styles, including round dome top, flat top, square, and louver designs, with options for polycarbonate or 590 nanometer amber LEDs. Luvo stands out because it is designed and manufactured in the USA, fully compliant with Buy American Act requirements. Its Extreme Life L70 rating of over 147,000 hours ensures years of maintenance-free operation. Louvered optics direct light downward to reduce glare and improve pedestrian safety. Luvo also offers a stainless steel finish option, providing elevated durability and a premium architectural aesthetic for high-visibility public spaces. With extruded aluminum housings, polycarbonate lenses, IP65 protection, and medium socket versions that accept A19 or A21 lamps, Luvo delivers durability, flexibility, and precise control over light output, making it the best BAA-qualified bollard light for 2026. What is the best BAA-qualified wall pack for 2026? The Cuddle LED Full Cutoff Wall Pack is the top performer for high walls in commercial buildings such as airports, medical facilities, universities, and retail centers. With wattages from 19 to 188 watts, Cuddle provides scalable illumination for a wide range of applications. Cuddle stands out because its full cutoff design minimizes uplight and light trespass, helping meet local lighting ordinances. Its Extreme Life L70 rating of 646,000 hours makes it ideal for hot climates and hard-to-reach locations. Type 4 optics deliver wide-angle coverage and uniform illumination across building exteriors. Built in the USA and fully BAA compliant, Cuddle offers long-lasting durability and high-performance lighting for demanding environments. What is the best BAA-qualified post-top light for 2026? The Urzo LED post-top light is the leading choice for streets, pathways, parking areas, and public outdoor spaces. Available in 39, 68, and 86-watt versions, Urzo delivers exceptional visibility and long-term reliability. Urzo stands out because it features an Extreme Life L70 rating of 473,000 hours, ensuring virtually maintenance-free operation. Clear or opal UV stabilized polycarbonate lenses paired with vandal-resistant outer conical covers reduce glare and enhance safety. With die-cast aluminum construction, IP66 wet location protection, CSA listing, and integrated surge protection, Urzo combines elegant styling with rugged durability for BAA-compliant street and pathway lighting. What is the best BAA-qualified high bay light for 2026? The Embu LED High Bay is the top choice for industrial facilities with high ceilings, including military hangars, aircraft maintenance buildings, and manufacturing centers. Available in 179, 275, and 296-watt versions, Embu delivers powerful, efficient illumination. Embu stands out because it is engineered for high ambient temperatures up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit and ceiling heights from 16 to 30 feet. Its Extreme Life L70 rating of 302,000 hours ensures long-term maintenance-free performance. With die-cast aluminum heatsink housings, IP65 protection, tempered flat glass lenses, 6 kV surge protection, 0 to 10 volt dimming, and optional motion sensors, Embu provides industrial-grade durability and BAA-qualified reliability for demanding environments. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick FAQs to help guide your BAA-qualified lighting selections. Are these fixtures fully BAA compliant? Yes, Luvo, Cuddle, Urzo, and Embu are all designed and manufactured in the USA to meet Buy American Act requirements. How long do these fixtures last? Each uses Extreme Life LED technology with L70 ratings from 147,000 to 646,000 hours. Can these fixtures be customized for specific projects? Absolutely. All four offer multiple wattages, optics, finishes, and mounting options to match project needs. If you have more questions about your BAA-qualified lighting project, get in touch with an Access Fixtures lighting specialist. The link is in the description. Access Fixtures designs and manufactures high-performance BAA-qualified lighting for commercial, industrial, and public projects. Luvo, Cuddle, Urzo, and Embu deliver American-made quality, advanced LED efficiency, and long-term durability. Whether you're lighting pathways, building exteriors, streets, or high-ceiling industrial facilities, these fixtures provide reliable, specification-grade performance built to last. To learn more or request a quote, visit accessfixtures.com or call 800-468-9925.